It is now up to a jury to decide if a jailer in downtown San Diego broke the law by covering up for the Mexican mafia. 10 News reporter Steve Fiorina looks at what Andres Vilotta said in his own defense.
I don't recall. I don't remember what I told you.
Andres Vilotta testified that he filed a less than complete report about finding a box at the county jail with tennis shoes and a large amount of drugs hidden inside. He turned it in but didn't name any suspects, though he did an investigation on his own on the 8th floor where several Mexican mafia defendants were being held.
So I went to ask him and ask everybody else in the area. We're both about 4 or 5 cells in there, and everyone denied it.
Vilotta said investigators were bombarding him with questions, and he finally agreed with them.
Do you remember telling them, yes, I falsified one report?
Yes, I remember that.
The DA built the case against Vilotta on the basis of a confidential informant, Andrea Gomez. She wore a body wire to obtain evidence against the Mexican mafia, resulting in a major bust in early 2009. She told the FBI she could also nail a dirty cop, Vilotta. There's a tape recording of her offering him $100 for favors, but he refused it. But he never reported that to authorities. The felony charge is about that shoebox with drugs and his official report.
We're talking suspects here. We're not talking they should be charged with a crime. His duty was just to write down whether or not he had suspects.
Vilotta's attorney argued that he's being thrown under a bus, but the evidence is smoke and mirrors.
What evidence do we have of that? I submit nothing. What's in it for him? Nothing. What's his motive? Nothing.
More than a week of evidence and testimony, the jury can now begin deliberations. Steve Fiorina, 10 News.
Vilotta faces nearly 4 years in prison if convicted.